Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel your subscription on Whop. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to log in into your Whop account. Visit the Whop website and log in using your credentials, your email and password. The following step is to navigate to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. The third step is to access subscriptions settings. In your profile menu, find and select the subscriptions or billing option to view your active subscriptions. The fourth step is to select the subscription to cancel. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to access the details and cancellation options. The last step is to confirm the cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may need to provide feedback to confirm your decision to ensure the cancellation is processed. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how you cancel your Whop subscription. If you found this video will be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.